Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I am going to deliver a class topic from your textbook, Mathematics Class 7. The topic is exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. As you know that the mass of the earth kilogram and the mass of Uranus is kilogram. Similarly, distance between Sun and Uranus is meter, and distance between Uranus and Saturn is meter. Dear students, these numbers are very huge numbers. They are very difficult to read, to understand, to compare. Because they are very large numbers. To make these numbers easy to read, understand, and compare, we use exponents. We use exponents. To make such large numbers, to read, to understand and compare, exponents are used. Here we shall learn about exponents and how to use them. Exponents and how to use them. For example, if I take here a number 10,000, it can be written here as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. That is 4 times 10. Or we can write here 10 raised to power 4, 10 or 4th power of 10. Here 10 is the base and 4 is the exponent. 10 is base and 4 is exponent. The number 10 raised to power 4 is read as the 10 raised to the power of 4. 10 raised to the power of 4. If we write here 10 raised 10 and power 4, it can be read as 10 raised to the power of 4 or fourth power of 10. This form is called the exponential form of this 10,000. It is exponential form of it. It is expanded form of it. Let me take here some more examples. For example, we have here the number 672531. First we write here it as expanded form, that is 6 into 10, 6 into 1 and how many times zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 0. Plus 7 into 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4 times 0. Plus 2 into 1, 3 times 0. Plus 5 into 1, 2 times 0. Plus 3 into 1, 1 times 0. Plus 1. This is its expanded form, and it can be written here as 6 into 10 raised to power 5 because it has 5 zeros, plus 7 into 10 raised to power 4 plus 2 into 10 raised to power 3 plus 5 into 10 raised to power 2 plus 3 into 10 plus 1. This type of form is called the exponential form of this number. This is a simple number. This is its expanded form, and this is its exponential form. Exponential form. Dear students, we can take here another example. If we are asked here, find the value of 2 raised to power 6. This number is in exponential form, and when we find its value, it can be first written in expanded form, that is 2 is 6 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 into 2 is 64. This is its value. We can take such more examples of this type. For example, we have here six into six into six into six. It can be written here 6 raised to power 4. It is exponential form, and this is its expanded form. Or sometimes we have the number with variable, such as 2 into 2 into a into a. It can be written here as 2 raised to power 2. 2 is 2 times into a raised to power 2. A is 2 times. We can take here another example. If we have the number 512, we can write here it is exponential form or exponential notation as, first we take its LCM. 512. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. 2 6s 12, 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So its expanded form is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 times 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Or it can be written here as exponential form 2 raised to power 9. It is its exponential notation. We can take one more example here, which is related to your textbook exercise also. If you have 2 into 10 raised to power 3, what is its value? 2 into 10 raised to power 3 means 10 is 3 times. That is 10 into 10, 100 into 10,000, which implies 2 into 1000 or 2000. This is its value. Or if you have the number minus 4 raised to power 3, it can be written here as minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4, because it is 3 times. It will become 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus 64. Dear students, these are some examples which are related to this topic, exponents and powers, and are very important for you, and also are related to your textbook exercises. I hope you will understand it and try it again at your home. So now it is sufficient for today. Thank you.